If you want to know how to fix TikTok something went wrong problem, you've come to the right place. So firstly, I want to open TikTok, and as you can see, everything is working. So I fixed this problem really easy. So how can we do the same? Basically, I have some ways of how can we fix, and the first way is just simply close the app and then just try to reopen it. The next thing we can easily do is that we can easily check our internet connection, make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data are turned on. So after that, this problem maybe will be automatically fixed. Please try to turn it off and then just turn it on, and probably your internet connection will be recovered. So the next way of how can we fix is that just simply go to App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile type, and here in a search bar just find for TikTok. And then just click on search. Make sure that you have the latest version, so you have only the open button. If you have the update button, please click on it and then just download the latest version of TikTok. And after that, probably your problem will be automatically fixed. The next way of how can we fix is that we need to go to settings right up here, and then for the iPhone it looks like this. We need to scroll down to find all the apps we have, and from this page here just simply find for TikTok, click on TikTok icon, and here please make sure that all of your settings are the same as I have. As you can see, I have the local network, microphone, camera, live activities, and background app refresh features, they are turned on, so please turn them on also. So after that you can try to close settings and then just try to reopen TikTok, and probably your problem will be automatically fixed. But the hardest way and the last way I suggest you to do is just simply click on TikTok, hold your finger, and then just remove the app and then just try to re-upload it. After that, your problem will be automatically fixed. So this is a way of how can we fix TikTok something went wrong problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.